In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use ClickBank in order to earn money online. Hey, hello, my name is Ana Castillo, and thanks to my online business, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs because the thing that I decided to do among a lot of opportunities out there, it's what it's called affiliate marketing. Basically, what I was doing and still doing until today is to promote other people, products, and services in exchange for commission. With this, I remove a lot of barriers. Like, first of all, I did not have to create my own product or my own service. I don't have to deal with customer service, payment processor, deliver the product. It can be physical, it can be digital. And as you can tell, by having two full-time jobs, I have a lack of time. So chances are that you are in the same situation or a similar situation. That's the reason why I recommend people to start with affiliate marketing. Popular brands that you might know, like Amazon, Adidas, Nike, Under Armour, IKEA, Lego, they do have these type of programs. And these type of programs has been around since the 90s. So this is not something new. So what is basically ClickBank? ClickBank is a marketplace that it has been around for almost 30 years. Is for some reason you cannot use it. Focus on the strategy because it can work with any other marketplace. So you can use it with eStore 24, Warrior Plus, Commission Junction, Share Sale, A-Win, and others. So if you're going to join, you're going to go here where it says affiliate start here. So you are going to be part of this actual marketplace. As you can see, they has already paid over $7.3 billion in commission. They have 100,000 active affiliates and they have been around for a really long time. And people really trust them, not only companies, but us affiliates. Okay, so once you join, you can be part of the marketplace. Okay, here on the marketplace, you are going to see that they do have like several categories. For example, you can promote products on computers, cooking, education, games, health, languages, parenting, and others. So Diana, which are the most profitable niches? Okay, the most profitable niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Does that mean that you cannot promote other products? I'm not saying that. I'm telling you the information because I want you to be informed. But I do have friends who promote mattresses online. Yeah, you hear it right. They love it. I have a friend who is all in into video games. That's the thing that he likes. So literally, you can promote a lot of things. Okay, you can literally promote a lot of things, and take into consideration the fact that if you have a problem, and that's the reason why these are the top three niches, you are gonna look for a solution and you're gonna have the willingness to invest in that solution. Let's say that you have migraine. You're not gonna spend days with migraine. Let's say that you have diabetes, okay? Or you know someone, you are gonna be looking for information like which side of food they can actually eat, different meals, desserts, and all this stuff, and how they can regulate their system without taking pills. You know what I'm talking about. So that's the reason why. So here, there are things that you're going to notice. Here, you're going to see right now, I'm here on the top offers. You can have physical products. You can promote digital products. In this example, I'm going to be promoting this product, which is the Energy Revolution System Conversion Monster. Okay, so here there are things that you're going to notice. First of all, this is going to be to get your affiliate link. Here you're going to see the affiliate page. Here you're going to see the sales page. Okay, we're going to be checking on that in a moment. First, what's the affiliate page? On the affiliate page, you're going to have more information about the creator of the product and the product itself. Okay, so here we can see that they do have different products and they are related to the specific product. So if I go here where it says resources, you're going to notice that here I have, first of all, the information that we can earn 75% commission per sale. So that's a lot. Here you're gonna have a video sales letter, which is actually really good because a lot of people convert way better if there is a video involved. Okay, say we have some email swipes here. Okay, so if you're getting for trash, definitely this is gonna help. Banners, I'm no longer using banners, but here you have some banners and some custom tools. There is an email that you can actually get some information. So we already have the affiliate information. We can also go and see the sales page. Okay, here on the sales page, you're gonna notice that they do have a video. Okay, here we have a blank space. It's because after people watch the video, the information of processing the payment is going to appear here, or they can click here where it says yes, they already watched the video, and they are going to be redirected to that page. There is also an exit pop-up, so that means that if someone try to exit the page, this is a way in which they can get their attention, and they're like, hey, you know what, keep watching it, all that stuff. So this is actually really great because this is great for retention, and the more they watch the video, the more they're going to be interested. Okay, so now what we need to create a simple system in which we are going to be capturing people name and email address. You don't need to be a designer, you don't need to be a programmer, and I'm going to reveal with you a tool that I actually use, and it's 100% free. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So this is what we're going to do. It's going to be super simple, and it's going to be specific to this product. Okay, we're going to be capturing people name and email address, and then we are going to redirect them to the video sales letters, which happens to be the sales page. Okay, the only thing that we're going to be telling them is like, hey, you know what, do you want to learn what's the long lost ancient invention wipes power, or that's wiping out power bills and generating energy on demand? Give me your name, your email address, click here, and you're going to watch the video. Okay, so that's the reason why we are sending them directly there. If for some reason they do not watch the entire video, our system is going to be sending them emails. And the most important thing is that since we have more products that we can promote, as you can see here, we can actually do it. This is happen automatically. And as you can tell, as a person who had 2 full-time jobs, I did not have a lot of time to do this. So I had to have a system that was working for me while I have my full-time jobs. So how did you actually create that? There's going to be a link in the description for a tool that is called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution in which people do not need to put any kind of payment information, just the email, and that's it. Then you're going to go here where it says sales funnels. Let me go back here on sales funnels, that you're going to click here where it says create. Here you're going to put a name. Here you're going to choose a domain. Diana, do you suggest me to go and purchase a domain? Yeah, it's actually sometimes less than $2 per year. So I strongly suggest you to go with it. Most of the time, less than $20 per year. It looks more professional. It gives people trust. So then click here where it says build an audience, and click here where it says save. Then you're going to have the name, click on the name, and here you're going to have the page. Choose the one that you like. I like something simple, but at the end of the day, it's up to you. One cool thing that I like about System.io is the fact that this is going to be drag and drop. So literally you can modify it. And because of the system we're using, we're telling them like as soon as they leave their name and email address, they're going to be tied to our cookie with our special link. Here you can also program the emails here on campaign. So how do you actually grab people to this page? Okay, this is what we call traffic, and people are actively on YouTube. They can be on Instagram, they can be on TikTok, they can be on Facebook, they can be reading not reading, being on Pinterest, they can be reading an article on Medium, they can be also checking a blog and so on. By the way, with System.io, you can create your own blog. It's going to be the same. You're going to go here where it says sites, then you're going to click here where it says blog, then you're going to click here where it says create, put the name that works for you, and domain, okay? Put a subdomain here. Well, not a subdomain, just it's a word here, and choose the design that you like. So you can have your own blog here, and you can actually use your favorite AI to create articles, okay? And you can publish them here. So this is actually how we are going to be driving traffic. And this is one thing that we set up once. And after that, the only thing that we need to grab is eyeballs. Okay. The only thing that we need to grab is eyeballs. And remember that via email, you can promote as many products as you want. So if you want to learn more about this in step by step, check the very first link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.